Imagine blending ancient Stoic wisdom with cutting-edge AI technology to unlock unprecedented wealth. Sounds far-fetched? Think again, because the combination might just be the most powerful financial strategy you've never heard of. When you think of Stoicism, you probably picture calm, collected philosophers discussing life's big questions, not billionaires automating their wealth. But what if I told you Stoicism holds secrets that, when merged with modern AI, could redefine your financial future? I stumbled onto this strategy almost by accident. My name's Saul, and like most people, I was skeptical at first. How could a 2,000-year-old philosophy help build modern wealth, especially with something as advanced as artificial intelligence? It didn't make sense. But trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see exactly why this unlikely combo is a game changer. First, let's tackle the obvious question. Why Stoicism? Stoics like Marcus Aurelius believed deeply in mastering emotions, using rationality over impulse, and cultivating a disciplined mindset. If you're chasing financial freedom, emotional discipline is absolutely crucial. Think about it. What's the number one thing that sabotages your finances? Emotional decisions, panic selling in a market crash, overspending out of boredom, investing based on fear or greed, all emotional reactions. So here's the twist. What happens if you pair Stoicism's emotional control with AI's ruthless objectivity? That's when things get interesting. But more on that in a moment. Let's first unpack Stoicism's power in finance. Picture this. The market crashes. Most investors panic, selling everything at a loss. But a Stoic investor remains steady, calm, and rational. They see clearly, free from emotional fog, and use this moment to buy great assets at a discount. The result? Massive gains when the market inevitably recovers. But let's be honest, being rational when your life savings seem to evaporate overnight is tough. That's where AI steps in. An AI doesn't panic. It doesn't feel greed or fear. It executes exactly as instructed, following rules based purely on logic and data. But wait, how exactly do you merge Stoic philosophy with AI strategies to automate your wealth? Imagine crafting a simple, Stoicism-inspired investment rule set: buy when others panic, sell when others get greedy, and scour millions of data points in seconds, identifying precisely when market sentiment shifts from panic to greed, executing trades at perfect moments. Here's the kicker. Studies show that emotional investors underperform the market consistently. But when you automate your strategy using AI powered by Stoic rules, you effectively eliminate the biggest drag on your returns, your emotions. So, could the key to long-term wealth really be as simple as programming a Stoic AI? Now, you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but isn't AI-driven investing complicated, expensive, or inaccessible to average investors? Well, that's exactly the myth we're about to debunk. Because the truth is, you don't need millions or advanced coding skills to benefit from this hybrid strategy. In fact, it's simpler and more accessible than ever. But here's the real question. How exactly can you start using Stoicism and AI today, even if you're brand new to investing or technology? In a moment, I'm going to share the exact steps to start harnessing this powerful approach and show you how even absolute beginners can implement it quickly. Before we dive into that, there's another critical piece of the puzzle you absolutely can't miss. It's a mistake that nearly everyone makes when they first try to use AI for investing, one that can cost you dearly if you don't avoid it. And no, it's not about picking the wrong software or platform. It's far simpler and more dangerous than that. If you're serious about financial independence, you need to know exactly what this mistake is and how Stoicism effortlessly solves it. Keep watching, because knowing this secret could mean the difference between financial stress and financial freedom. Ready to transform your financial life using ancient wisdom and cutting-edge tech? Let's go deeper. Let's get straight into the mistake almost everyone makes when blending AI with investing. It's not about technology, it's about mindset. Most investors obsess over short-term gains and flashy results, treating AI as some magical money-printing machine. But here's the truth. Without a disciplined Stoic mindset, even the best AI can lead you astray. Remember, AI is just a tool. Like a powerful race car, it needs a steady driver behind the wheel. And that's where Stoicism makes all the difference. The Stoics taught a simple yet powerful lesson. Focus only on what you control and ignore everything else. You can't control market swings, government policies, or unexpected global events, but you absolutely control your reactions, your strategies, and your patience. When you combine Stoic patience with AI's precision, you create a supercharged wealth-building strategy. Instead of chasing quick wins, you set clear, unemotional guidelines. You define your investment criteria up front, let AI execute flawlessly, and calmly stay the course. This is how real fortunes are built, not overnight, but reliably and sustainably. So how exactly can you start leveraging this Stoic AI approach today? First, clearly define your Stoic investment rules. Write down simple, logical guidelines, like buying quality assets during downturns, rebalancing regularly, or steadily accumulating diversified investments. Your AI-driven platform or investment tool then implements these rules automatically, removing emotional decisions completely. Next, practice Stoic discipline by trusting the process. Resist the urge to tweak or override the system every time the market moves unexpectedly. Stoicism teaches patience and trust in rational strategies, especially when emotions run high. Remember, the biggest financial mistakes happen when investors panic or second-guess proven systems. But you might be thinking, Saul, how do I practically set this up? What tools or platforms should I use? Fortunately, today's financial landscape offers dozens of easy-to-use, affordable AI tools designed precisely for this strategy. No coding required, and suitable even if you're starting small. You simply pick a reliable AI-powered investment app or robo-advisor, input your Stoic-inspired rules, and let the system handle the rest. Here's the twist. Many of these tools are free or have minimal costs, yet most people never take advantage of them, either due to fear or misunderstanding. That's another powerful lesson from Stoicism. Fear and uncertainty hold us back far more than external circumstances ever could. Don't let fear of technology or investment complexity keep you from unlocking this powerful opportunity. By now, you're beginning to see how combining ancient Stoic wisdom with modern AI technology isn't just smart, it's transformative. This strategy isn't theoretical or reserved for wealthy elites. It's accessible, practical, and proven. The only real question is, will you take action, or will you let doubts and emotions hold you back? You have a choice right now. Continue doing what everyone else does, letting emotions control your finances, or break free. Leverage the timeless power of Stoicism and the incredible precision of AI, and set yourself on a path toward financial freedom. Think about this. How would your life change if your money decisions became perfectly rational and strategically automated? What would it feel like to know that even when the markets get volatile, your wealth-building strategy remains steady, logical, and effective? The truth is, Stoicism paired with AI is more than a financial strategy. It's a life-changing combination. So, are you ready to master your emotions, embrace cutting-edge technology, and start building wealth with absolute clarity and confidence? Your journey toward financial freedom starts right now.